Team of women from Karbi Anglong district advanced to Jorhat to display their handmade crafts at the ongoing Handicrafts Exhibition 2022 organized by MS Craft Council of Northeast. It was reported that all the handmade crafts produced from the workshop organizer office of the Handloom and Textile Depot Club and Puloni would be displayed at the exhibition. As many as 30 women from across Karbi Anglong took part in this handicrafts exhibition. They set off their journey from Karbi Anglong for Jorhat on 6 November. It was also informed that Sabina Teronpi, wife of Dorsing Ronghang MLA, furnished financial grant, blankets, mosquito nets, repellent and vehicle for transportation to all the delegates from Karbi Anglong district. It is notable that Sabina Teronpi had been very vocal in the promotion and enlargement of Karbi traditional attires. Therefore, she had been simultaneously conducting workshops at various locations to aware the importance of it and, most importantly, to be self-reliant. Consequently, many people had benefited from the workshop and made their way of living. News Report, Karbi Anglong Live.